All right, so before we start, I just want to remind everyone that we are only 9 subscribers away from the next big goal of 150 subscribers. So please, if you like this video or if you like the other videos on my channel, then please subscribe to see more of that in the future and help myself, help yourself, and help everyone out by pushing us further along. All right, so today we got Wendy's. Throughout this entire video, I'm going to be explaining to you all why I hate Wendy's in like every single facet possible, because I just so while I was out getting this, I was in the drive-through line for 45 minutes, and then I had to wait another 15 minutes after paying to finally get my food. So, that's ridiculous, obviously. You should never have to wait 45 minutes in the fucking drive-thru line just to actually get to the point, just to actually get to the window. And it's not even lunchtime. It was 3 o'clock when I got, it was 3 o'clock when I got to the Wendy's. I waited in line for, 45 minutes. Had to wait another 15 minutes after I paid to actually finally get my food. And so now I'm here. Now, I probably haven't had Wendy's in at least a year because I don't like it. And so, I'm only really eating it to explain to you all the things I dislike about Wendy's. But, to Wendy's credit, I have not had it in more than a year, which means it could have changed for the better in terms of their food since then. And, I mean, their fries are pretty good. But it's really hard to do fries badly. Another thing that pissed me off today was the girl in the drive-thru line did give me a straw, so I got to use one of my mom's nice frou-frou straws for my drink. Oh, that hurt. Drink too fast. The Dr. Pepper tastes good. It better taste good. These are not better than McDonald's fries. And so I'm pretty sure that commercial about Wendy's fries being preferred over McDonald's 2-to-1 is a lie. I don't think that's true at all. I think that they just straight up lied in their commercial, or that they skewed the results to force people to choose Wendy's over McDonald's. But these are not better than McDonald's fries. Still good. Not better than McDonald's, though. I'll take McDonald's over these any day. Wendy's, what the fuck is this? That fry's burnt. This is the most burnt fry I've ever seen in my life. I can't eat that. Here's a fucking other one. Damn, Wendy's. How's your problem? Alright, fries are done. Fries are alright. Not better than McDonald's, but, you know. Alright, now, I really didn't remember Wendy's fries very well. I do remember this. This is a Baconator triple. Back when I used to like Wendy's, this was my absolute favorite thing on the planet to get from Wendy's. The reason why I stopped liking Wendy's is because there was a number of trips that I took in a row to Wendy's where the Baconator was the most flavorless, unexciting thing I'd ever eaten in my life. And I make fun of their buns. It's just like... A year ago, the last time I had one of these, it was the blandest, most untasteful thing I'd ever eaten in my entire life. And this is literally the signature item on their menu. This is the number 2 combo on Wendy's menu after Dave's single. So, people love this thing. I used to like this thing a lot because it has bacon, patty, cheese, ketchup, and mayo. All things I like. But now if you look how shiny the bun is. Why? Why do they cover their buns in so much fucking oil? I mean, like, damn. But I have high hopes. I haven't had this in over a year. It should be good, hopefully. I just had a couple pieces of bacon that were on the wrapper. It's supposed to be Applewood smoked bacon. You could seriously convince me that it's not. Right, first bite. Still warm, so they wrapped it really well. Yep, a year has gone by, and I can safely say that nothing has changed. All the flavors blend together into something that is very tasteless for the most part. I couldn't even really taste the sauce. I can't get any hint of the bacon. The patty is tasteless. The cheese is tasteless. The cheese is tasteless. What? Did they even give me napkins? They didn't even give me napkins. I used my own stash. There's another strike from Wendy's. They don't give you fucking napkins. Let me go through the drive-thru. I mean, there's literally more grease coming off of this thing than there is flavor. Which doesn't make any fucking sense. But, whatever. Is that mustard I taste? Is that just a... I don't know. I don't remember there being mustard on this thing. So that would be new, I guess. I just don't get it. How is this thing so popular? How did I love this thing so much versus I'm eating it now and I can barely taste it? And I know there's nothing wrong with my taste buds. Where's all the flavor at, Wendy's? Ugh. I keep eating it because I'm seriously trying to find it. I want to like this thing because the concept of a Baconator is awesome. I mean, this burger takes the cake for the greasiest thing that I've eaten in a year. I mean, Jesus Christ, if you could see my pants right now, they're freaking covered in stuff. I mean, look how shiny my fucking hands are. Like, it's all from this burger. I don't... How? I don't get it. How can you make something that sounds like it would be so perfect end up being so not perfect? Like, hell, we're getting slowly into the realm of bad, is what we're getting to. She's right. It's so fucking greasy, I can barely pick it up without sliding out of my hands. I straight up can barely taste this fucking burger, and I don't understand it at all. It's amazing to me that I can remember this bland taste so well after having not experienced it for more than a year. It's amazing how the bland taste hasn't gotten better over the course of a year. just don't understand. Ugh. Ah. Is it just the Baconator? Is just the Baconator not that great? Or is it everything on Wendy's menu? I mean, because their fries are pretty alright. I just don't get it. I'm straight up confusion right now. Okay. Oh, I just don't get it. Like, my drink and the fries were pretty good. It's just when it gets to the Baconator, it just all falls away. Like, I don't understand. I don't know what the hell they're putting on the Baconator or what they're doing with their patties or their cheese, but that was the most, that burger just now was the most tasteless thing that I have eaten in a year since the last time I had Wendy's. So, yeah, no. Hopefully, at some point during this video, you hopefully realized why I really don't like Wendy's at all. The drive-thru experience was not good. The food is just generally not that great, especially not for the price that it was at. It was $14 for the meal that I got. And I really wanted to like it. I tried so hard. I felt, so, yeah, sorry. I don't like Wendy's. So, I probably will not be having it again on the channel, or ever again, even just in my regular life. So, once again, we are only 9 subscribers away from the magnificent count of 150 subs, which is our next big goal here on the channel. So please, if you enjoyed this video, or if you enjoy any of the other videos on my channel, then please subscribe to the channel and do both of us a favor, and help me and everyone else bring the channel to new, greater heights. Also, please remember to leave a like and comment on this video if you'd like to see me eat any food of your choice. So if you want to see me eat a food of your choice, please leave it down in the comment section, and I will eat it as soon as I can here on the channel. Give me heartburn. So, with that being said, once again, thank you all for watching, and until next time, bye!